Hey guys. Yeah, we're good. It's old man. Hi. Who's in the back?
This is a Ferguson. Tell them we're probably Ferguson.
Huh? I said we probably got a Ferguson. The white guy said it.
You don't have to be black to be racially against.
You don't have to be black to be racially, he's pissed. Yeah. No, you're good. He's old. We were, but he just
no.
Shit. Like, he was just going on. He started reaching, so we were like, dude, what are you doing? Oh my God, I can't stop laughing. He was getting into Wiggins, but... Huh? It was back there, but...
4-4 potato.
No, he was like a little bit. He was in the number one. That's what I said. He is pissed off. You better have a good reason why you pulled me over. We were just gonna say it was just a blinker. It was. We were like, dude, we were gonna give you a warning, just checking to see what you got, but. What was it? An old person?
No.
You might want to check. I had a handicap, and this guy was like, it was not the guy that was supposed to have that vehicle. Exactly. They're always borrowing. Bye, guys. Dang it. Yeah, but it's ID.
The first thing he said was,
you better have a good reason.
No. While you still putting everything out, and I said, sir, put your hands on the steering wheel. And he was, am I right to be in a violator here? Or something? I was like, I'm gonna say it.
I was over there laughing so bad. I couldn't hold it. He couldn't hear me though, so it was good. But he was just going off on you. I'm just like, dang. And the whole time I'm thinking, like, yeah, he's really getting a ticket.
Oh, yeah.
A warning, but...
Okay, sir, you get everything good stuff?
You can exit out of it and, like, put it back in through the... Put it back through down there. Put it to the oil. William Adam 8, Paul 17. Yeah, I can tell. Like,
I can't laugh like I want to.
I was like, he couldn't hear me, so.
Yeah, but
he had his passenger window up, so I was going. I was cracking up. Double click on that and it goes to oil in.
That's what I did.
Yeah. Can you read it?
I swear, if he has... I like it. He would be a nice person.
You actually played that... I mean, you actually kind of calmed them down. I think you did. Dangerous. What's the name? Over. Probably was just a
the last one at the bottom under somebody else's name.
Yeah. Because this doesn't even have to,
Yeah, you don't.
it should have a first initial. That's what I was trying to.
That's what's like.